scientist Robert Remak published his observations on cell division and stated that the binary fission of cells was a means of reproduction of animal cells. This view was widely publicized by Rudolf Virchow, who gave the phrase omnicellulate cellular, whose meaning is all cells form cells. In 1879, Walter Fleming reported that there were string-like structures in the nucleus which split longitudinally during cell division. He named the process as mitosis, means fine threads. As the dividing structures resemble threads, Wilhelm Roux proposed that each chromosome carried a different set of heritable elements and suggested that the longitudinal splitting observed by Fleming ensured the equal division of these elements, combined with the rediscovery of Gregor Mendel's 1866 paper on heritable elements in peas. These results highlighted the central role of the chromosomes in carrying heritable material, later called the genetic material as well. The scheme of mitotic division was confirmed in 1904 by Theodore Boveri. The chemical nature of the genetic material was determined in a series of experiments over the next 50 years. The structure of DNA, the constituent of the genetic material, was determined in 1953 by James Watson and Francis Crick. Cell division in human beings. Mitosis is the cell division that transforms a human fertilized egg into a baby in 9 months and into an adult in the next 20 years. The bone marrow cells actively divide by mitosis to produce red blood cells. Mitosis helps in replacing the worn-out cells in the skin. Mitotic divisions in the cells surrounding the wound help in freeze the wound and healing. In contrast, cancer cells do not respond to such growth regulating factors and continual dividing at the expense of normal cells, thus ultimately killing the host. So it becomes important to understand the processes involved in cell division. Cell cycle. The process of cell division is called mitosis, which is completed in 40 to 60 minutes. The period between two cell divisions is called interphase. This is actually the period when the genetic material makes its copy so that it is equally distributed to the daughter cells during mitosis. The cell cycle consists of 4 phases. G1 phase. This is a period of DNA between the completion of mitosis and the beginning of DNA replication. S phase. This is a period of DNA synthesis. G2 phase. This is the time between the end of DNA replication and the beginning of mitosis. M phase. This is mitotic cell division phase. First 3 phases of the cell cycle is collectively called interphase. Observe different stages of mitotic cell division. Take permanent slides which shows different stages of mitotic cell division from your lab kit. Observe carefully under microscope. Mitosis. Stage. Description. Prophase. Chromosomes contract, spiral and become visible even in light microscope, and nucleoli become smaller. Chromosomes split lengthways to form chromatids connected by centromeres. Nuclear membrane breaks down. Centrosome, containing rod-like centrioles, divides and forms ends of spindle. Note: no pairing of chromosomes as in meiosis. Metaphase. Chromosomes move to spindle equator. Centromeres attach to spindle fibers. Centromeres split, separating the chromatids. Anaphase. Spindle fibers attach to centromeres, contract, pulling chromatids towards poles. Telophase. Chromatids elongate, become invisible. Replication at this stage to become chromosomes. Nuclear membranes form round daughter nuclei. Cell membrane pinches in to form daughter cells. A new cell wall material becomes laid down across spindle equator. Nucleus divides into two and division of cytoplasm starts. Process of meiosis. Unlike mitosis, which is a continuous